Hi everyone! So, do you feel like you are drowning in an extremely long to-do list lately? If this is you, then I would like to suggest a new way of tackling your everyday tasks that pushes aside all the extra stuff and helps you focus on one or two really important tasks to get accomplished for your day. Hi, my name is Melanie and I am the professional organizer and productivity consultant behind I Speak Organized. I help hardworking families and professionals find form in their space and purpose for every phase of life. So if this sounds like you and you're needing a little bit of help focusing in, trying to get some things done, I'm going to introduce you to my focus calendar. It's part of a Facebook Live series that I have been doing the last couple of weeks. So let's go ahead and catch the replay of that video right now. Oh my God, look how organized my house is. You guys, happy Monday, and I want to just touch, oh yeah, and it's live, so my daughter is down here asking for snacks, so you'll have to excuse me, bear with me here a little bit with that, but I want to check in with you guys and see how you're adjusting to being homebound. I know a lot of us right now are working from home and we are having school at home, and we're just adjusting in general to hashtag staying home right now. So I want to address a couple of questions that I've gotten from people, and one of them is, how do we function? Simple. And the other one is, how do we stay sane and adjust to structure and being productive while we're homebound right now? So let's just dive into some real talk. I'm feeling really stressed and my routine has been stripped away. And when I feel stressed, my thoughts tend to swirl and I can't make sense of what's going on. And I have a hard time executing the simplest of tasks, like feeding myself breakfast. Sitting down with a bowl of cereal and pouring milk into it is a struggle. So I want to share a really simple, powerful tool that I have been implementing into my life to help me focus. And if you're not a person that is really into structuring your day and feels confined by that, I would just encourage you to have an open mind. And if you are one of my viewers that is of the appropriate age, I would just tell you to think of this like drinking a beer in the shower. Don't knock it until you've tried it. So with that, let's jump into this tip. I call it my focus calendar. This is my rough draft with my left-hander chicken scratch, so I apologize for that. But I'm gonna just kind of break it down for you really quick and explain to you what this is. It is a monthly calendar that I've been working on, and I give it 7 categories for 7 days of the week. So my categories for the month of March are cleaning, business development, house finances, social media, catch-all, YouTube, and errands. So what I do basically is I pick different tasks within those categories. So social media, meaning how I interact with Facebook and Instagram and LinkedIn and Google, all of that stuff. House finances is when I balance our budget and do our meal planning and check in on our savings account and kind of, figure out all of those things. So I will assign 1 or 2 of those tasks within a category to one day and just keep it super simple. So let's say today is house finances, for instance. I won't bother really trying to work on business development tasks on a day that I'm supposed to be focusing on house finances, so that I'm not getting distracted by trying to research legal stuff or build website content. I'm just gonna spend my mental energy on focusing on balancing my budget for the day. Or what kind of activities I can buy to distract my 2-year-old so that I can get through my live stream, things like that. So I hope that that helps. You know, it's kind of a simplified version of a block schedule. I do have a daily block schedule that I use as well when I get super duper overwhelmed and really can't think, but that's a tip for another time. If you're interested in learning about that, drop me a comment, send me a personal message, and I can help you set that up. I really hope that this helps you guys in, you know, figuring out a different approach. If you have questions, drop them below. And I know that we're all experts in something as well, so if you have insight or tips that are related to this, let us know what you guys are up to. I know that I would appreciate some information on how to navigate this time as well, so please share your insights with me. I feel like right now we need to shift our mindsets towards kindness and support more than ever. And we'll be sharing more ideas just like this one. And I will see you guys in the next live stream.